Hi, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Have you got some cold little piggies? Keep them warm with these sherpa-lined fleece slippers. Let's get started.
The materials you will need are 1 yard of fleece fabric, 1 yard of sherpa fabric, 1 yard of sew foam, the template, which can be downloaded from our website, thread, scribbles paint, which is optional, scissors, pins, and a sewing machine. Using the template, cut out both the left and right soles out of the fleece, sherpa, and the sew foam. To do this, place the template right side up for the right foot, and then flip the template for the left foot. Also, cut the following out of both the fleece and the sherpa: 2 backs, 2 tongues, and 2 toe panels. The toe panel will have to be flipped over for the left foot, but the other 2 pieces are symmetrical, so they're the same for both feet. To assemble the pieces, you're going to sew the lining separate from the outer shell, and then at the end we'll attach them together. Starting with the lining, pin the curved edge of the tongue to the direct center of the flat edge of the toe panel with the right sides facing. Sew them together. Now, pin one of the short sides of the back panel to the tongue and the toe piece with the right sides facing. Sew this together. Then, pin the other end of the back panel to the other side of the tongue and toe piece with the right sides facing and sew this down. Lastly, pin the sole to the top of your slipper with the right sides facing. Sew around the edge. Do this to both slipper linings. Follow the same steps for the outer lining, but sew the sew foam to the wrong side of the sole first. Flip the outer shell right side out, but leave the lining wrong side out. Stuff the lining into the outer shell. Then fold the edges of the lining and the outer shell about 1/4 inch in and sew around the top edge. You can leave this edge as is or fold it over depending on what look you're going for. If you want your slippers to have a little grip, apply scribbles paint on the bottom of them for tread. You can do polka dots, lines, or a pretty design. Just allow the paint to dry before you wear them. Now, your slippers are complete.
These slippers are super easy to make, and 1 yard of each material is enough fabric to make about 4 pairs of medium-sized slippers. So you can give them away as gifts, or you can keep them for yourself to have a few extra pairs. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.